We're going to use the graph, the parent function of sine, to determine the coordinates of points A, B, C, and D. Now, this is not a very good drawing, but basically what you do when you graph sine and cosine, the parent function, you just basically know that it looks like a wave, and you get the characteristic curve, and we're plotting the quadrantals. The quadrantals are your 90-degree ones, so this would be pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and so forth. You just go through and plot it all the way through. It keeps going on and on. So what they want you to do is just label the points, and this is your x-axis, or we could say for sine, we could call this, if you call it sine of x equals y, then this would be your x, this would be your y. If you say sine of theta equals y, then really your x is your angle. So the angle always goes on the x when you graph the parent function. So we're going to go ahead and do A. The coordinates are your x, which is negative pi over 2, and your y is negative 1 here. Okay, for B, we get our angle, our x is 3 pi over 2, and again our y would be negative 1. For C, we have our angle at 2 pi, and our y is 0. And at D, we have our angle at 4 pi, comma, 0. And that's all. The next video I'm going to make is graphing the parent functions and finding values of trig functions just by looking at the graph versus the unit circle, which is another way to learn your trig values and functions. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.